Religion in Nepal. What is religion? A religion is a belief, faith on the existence of particular god and goddess. Today I share you about religion in Nepal. Nepal was declared as a secular state on 4th Jan 2063 BS. What is secularism? Secularism is a belief that that religion should not play the role in government, education, or other public part of society. The government is neutral in terms of religion in secularism. There are several religions in Nepal. The major religion uh, followed in Nepal are as follow. Hinduism. The Hindu religion is the oldest religion of world. This is also called Sanatan Dharma. Hinduism does not have any specific founder. Hindu people believe that God and Goddess is present in different form. Hindu people believe that our good deeds or work in life take or lead us to heaven, whereas our our deeds our bad deeds leads us to hell. Major religious book of Hinduism are Ved, Puran, Mahabharata, Ramayana, Gita, etc. The major festival that are followed by Hindu are Dasai, Tiyar, Holi, Tej. Buddhism. Buddhism was founded by Siddhartha Gautam, who became Gautam Buddha after receiving enlightenment. He was born in Lumbini, Nepal in 563 BC. He was the son of King Shuddhadan and Queen Mayadevi of the Kapilvastu. He developed the curiosity of pain and suffering in human in his youth to find out the solution of human misery such as sickness, old age, death. He left his palace, his wife, and his small son named Rahul. He meditated under a Bodhi tree, people tree in Gaya in India and received enlightenment. His four noble truth and eight fold path are famous today in the world. The four noble truths of Buddhism are: world is full of suffering. Second, suffering is caused by human desire. Third, renunciation means leaving of human desire is the path of salvation. Fourth, the salvation means away from evil work is only possible by following fold path. The eight fold path are as follow: right view or thought, right speech, right livelihood, right mindfulness, right determination, right conduct, right effort, right meditation. The religious book of Buddhism are the Tripitaka and Jataka. Bihar and Gumba are main religious place where Buddhists go to pray. The main festival of Buddhism are Baishak Punya and Losar. Next religion is Kirat religion. Kirat religion is one of the religion followed by Nepali people. The founder of Kirat religion is Phalgunanda Lingden. Their religious book is Mundum. Their major festival are Udauli Umboli. They worship Paruhang and Shumnima as their deity. Another religion is Christianity. The founder of Christianity is Jesus Christ, who was born in Jerusalem, Israel on 25th of December. The holy book of Christianity is Bible. They go to pray in church. The teaching of the teachings of Christ are as follow: be kind to all, love other as much as you love yourself, don't be selfish, forgive the mistake done in the ignorance, God loves us, so we must love Him. Another religion is Islam. The founder or pro-founder of Islam is Prophet Muhammad. He was born in Mecca, Saudi Arabia in 570 AD. Muslim people are followers of Islam. They worship Allah. The holy book of Islam is the Quran. Quran or Quran, Quran. Muslims go to masjid or mosque to worship. Their major festivals are Eid, Ramzan, Bakar Eid. Thank you.